Back to Gareth's unboxings. Today we got another one from Funko Pop UK. I bought it off the admin. It was let me just get his name up. It was Matt Shee, I think it is. If I pronounce that wrong, I think it's S. Shee, Matt Shee. I'm not good with pronouncing names because I'm dyslexic. So I bought these for a steal. These two pops are awesome. Oh. One of them will go with the one pop I got. Both glow in the dark, by the way. So, as you can see, plenty of bubble wrap. I think he used a bit too much bubble wrap. It's like bubble wrap. At least he knows how to pack pops, unlike some people. No naming anyone. Argos can't pop things, and Game Seek is the same. They do a better job than Argos. They put it in the box, but there's one thing, and there's more bubble wrap. We got more bubble wrap. Right, so that's alright. Next one. This bubble wrap will come in handy. Both glow in the dark. So I bought these £22 post-its. After I bought them, I was looking at the prices. Cheapest one I seen it was $27.99, and this one was £13. Both glow in the dark. That's the Underground Toys exclusive. So let's get them out, and you can see them. Is a bubble end, bubble. So basically it's in perfect condition. Awesome. So I will go with where's it? Let me just move some of my pops and I'll show you. He will go with Yellow Jacket, and they both, if you notice, they both are Underground Toys exclusive, both glow in the dark, so that's awesome. That's very awesome. Now, let me just put this one in. I want the Ant-Man riding the ant as well, so that would be cool if I get that. And I wanted to get a giant. It's called Giant Man, but it's just a giant Ant-Man. It is. So let's get him now. I need a bobblehead too. Wobble. And he's in perfect condition. Look at all the details all over the reins, all over the end. It's perfect. So I'll show you around the box now. So, so there we go, guys. And you can get Spider-Man as well. I haven't got that one. I got Spider-Man number 3. There we go. And I got both of them, so that's very good. So, and he was on, Matt is the admin of Funko Pop UK, so go and check that out. So, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. More boxes will be on his way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you want to, and don't forget to smash that share button. Ciao for now, guys. Bye, and don't forget the links are in the description. Ciao for now, guys. Bye.